बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर व्यूवर्स एंड फ्रेंड्स। लास्ट क्लास में हमने आपकी 9th की बायो की बुक से अपना टॉपिक पढ़ रहे थे, डिवीजन ऑफ लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स इनटू 5 सब ग्रुप्स। हमें पता है कि साइंटिस्ट ने लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स को सबसे पहले तो प्लांट्स एनिमल्स में होता था, डिवीजन होती थी, उसके बाद उन्होंने अपने हिसाब से उनको 5 सब ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड किया। ठीक है, रॉबर्ट वेटकर ने उनको डिवाइड किया था 5 सब ग्रुप्स में, जिसमें हमने प्रोकैरियोट्स, प्रोटिस्टा, फंजाई, प्लांटी एंड एनीमिया। ठीक है, अच्छा, अब हम क्या कहते हैं, प्रोकैरियोट्स एंड प्रोटिस्टा पढ़ चुके थे। अब हमारे पास 3 जो सब ग्रुप है, इन 5 सब ग्रुप्स में से जो उसका थर्ड जो पार्ट है वो है फंजाई। सो द साइंटिस्ट कैन बी डिवाइडेड द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स इनटू 5 सब कैटेगरीज। सो फंजाई वाज द थर्ड category of this group. So at first I will tell you about it. In 1969 Robert Whittaker introduced a new system for the classification of living organisms. So fungi is a third part of it. So fungi are a specific multicellular organism. So it is a specific multicellular organism. Multicellular system of organisms are those organisms which can carry and which have many type of cells. They are made up of more than one cell. So unicellular is made up of one cell and multicellular is made up of more than one cell. So fungi are a स्पेसिफिक मल्टी सेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म। सो फंजाई क्या है? बहुत सारे सेलों का मजमूआ है, मल्टी सेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म है which do not have chlorophyll. So the chlorophyll is not present in the fungi cell because fungi cell cannot carry the chlorophyll. So, they depend upon other organisms or dead material for their food. So fungi can depend upon other died animals or materials for their growth. How can it possible? Because fungi want some nutrients to survive in the environment, so that's why it can attract the dead materials for their survivation. For example, देखिए मिसाल के तौर पे the simple and common example of fungi, आम तौर पे जो आपके पास fungi की मिसालें हैं वो आपके पास है mushrooms. Basically mushrooms are lie in a category of fungi. Okay, it is belongs to that family of fungi. Mushrooms is an example of fungi and the other was Rhizopus. Okay, so Rhizopus and mushrooms are an examples of fungi. So fungi is a subgroup of division of living groups or living organisms. Okay, so if somebody asks from you what is fungi, so you can easily answer it. Fungi is a multicellular organism because it have a different type of cell. It is made up from different type of cell which do not carry chlorophyll. So chlorophyll is not present in a cell of fungi, and that depends upon organisms and dead organisms for their food. So it can depends upon and other dead materials to survive. So for example, misal ke the simple and common example of fungi, the main and common example of fungi was mushrooms and Rhizopus etc. So I think so you understood it. In next video I will tell about the remaining 2 branches, the remaining 2 system of organisms, classification of living organisms branches. So in next class we will study about Plantae and Animalia. So today it's enough for you. अगली वीडियो मुलाकात होगी, अब तक के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफिज़।